So I tried to give it a shot as far as the normalization is concerned, and in this video I have also included overall percentile and the section wise, which I did not do last time. So we are also kind of having a guesstimation towards VARC sectional, quant, sectional cutoff, and the DRR. Now again, things would change as far as normalization is concerned, but they're not going to change drastically. What is normalization? Basically keeping the level of difficulty of every slot at the same level. So they try to bring it down to the level 1, wherein every slot it's considered at the same level of difficulty, right? So if I talk about normalization, quants, if you talk about it was way tough in the slot 3, right? So you guys might gain a bit of marks over there, maybe 1 or 2 marks. When I talk about slot 2, right, LRDI, it was damn easy compared to slot 1 and slot 3. So probably slot 2 guys might lose maybe a mark there, one single mark might be lost as far as the slot 2 is concerned. So this is exactly what happens when you try to understand the normalization, bringing the entire level of difficulty of all the 3 slots at a one level, and then analyzing the data, the standard deviation, and then moving ahead and allotting those percentile for each slot, right? Again, when you talk about normalization, what we can do is we can only have a guesstimation. We cannot be so certain कि यही number आपको आपके report card पे दिखेगा. That is not going to be the case, guys. But we are trying to understand where that data, or when that data probably gets skewed, and what are the numbers that we probably be able to see on the report card once it's out. Now, after talking to a lot of students, after checking their scores, they have uploaded their scores, whatever websites were available. So I had a talk to students that most of the time I got to know that 103, 105, 106, 107 ये वाला जो range का जो बचा लोग था, so 106 was getting around about 99.55 or 99.60ish sort of a percentile. So from that perspective, if I talk about the maximum sampling that I've done, I have found that students are scoring 99.5 from the range of 102 से लेके 106 maximum. So again, when I talk about normalization, overall, definitely you'll get your score, but your entire score will be given to you at a one shot. It will not be bifurcated, right? तो जो marks आपको मिलेंगे, जो score आपको मिलेगा, वो final होगा after normalization. So I believe that still this seems to be a very good range as far as your 99.5 percentile is concerned. Now when you talk about verbal, I'll just give you the understanding of this data. I'm not saying that 44 only will be a 99.50 percentile. No, so anybody who's scoring 44, this is probably on the very high level that you will get 99.5. Maybe at 43 you might get 99.5, or maybe at 42 you might get 99.5. So if I just take a ballpark number, and if I look at the possibility that it might be +1 and -1, so it might be the case that somebody might get 99.5 at 40-41, or somebody might get 99.5 at 44-45, something like that. But this is the range that you need to keep in mind. Now, this is not going to change so drastically that 42 became 47 or 48 or 49 for 99.50 percentile. I don't believe that. So my numbers, I believe that this should be a good amount of data to give you an understanding. What? अगर मेरा score इस range में आता है, अगर मैं रेंज के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, अगर मेरा स्कोर इस रेंज में आता है, so probably मैं यहाँ पे इस परसेंटाइल में आ सकता हूँ. Now we can probably look at it from a different perspective. Let's just say if somebody gets around about, let's say 41, 42, right? So rather than looking at percentile and score, I probably say that, oh, you know what? If I stick to 44 as 99.50, somebody who gets around about, let's say 41 or 42, probably land up somewhere between 99.30 or 99.35. So that is also a possibility, right? So this is how we need to understand this data. But yeah, the most important thing here should be the range, ±2 marks here and there. Now, the number that you should be gunning for, or should be focusing a lot, is this, which is like 75 for your sectional. So I think when I look at the overall, right, I think these numbers should help you to kind of go through that 75 percentile wala bracket, thoda sa level up. 99, again I believe that 95 से लेके 99 is a good number to get you guys around about 99 percentile. So अगर मैं बात करूँ again, for verbal that's around about 40, DRR again is going to be 28, 30, quants will be around about 37, 39, right? Moving it, but actually अगर वैसे देखा जाए तो अगर मैं slot by slot भी अगर देखूँ तो इन तीनों slot का एक अलग अलग percentile भी बन सकता है, but जब normalize करके same level पे लाएंगे तो एक ही परसेंटाइल हमें एप्लीकेबल होना चाहिए. 95 आई स्टिल बिलीव 70 से लेके 73 74 is a good number overall to fix you 95. अब बीच में कुछ भी हो सकता है. Again, these are the ballpark numbers. This is sort of a guesstimation that I'm trying to arrive at. Not necessary कि ऐसा ही आएगा. And definitely तुम्हारा verbal DLR और quants का जो total है वो तुम्हारा sum से नहीं होता after your scaling of your scores, right? So this is what I believe. I mean, this is the final shot from my side as far as your score versus percentile is concerned, and I believe this should be we should be able to see the same range or probably a range which is close by on your report card. So guys, I couldn't do the verbal DLR and quants ka section wise percentile, but मेरे ख्याल से now this should help you to kind of arrive at a decision कि यार अगर इतना मुझे मिल जाता है I should be able to get the numbers correct. Again last but not the least, right? We don't have a lot of data. It is just the observation. It is just the observation after talking to a lot of students, doing some analysis here and there. I have found this out. Number two, we don't have the actual data of 210,000 students, right? Who has that? IIMs have that, right? So they will be running that standard deviation funda on the data, and they will be coming up with the center analysis, by the way. So again, my only understanding after talking to a lot of students, checking the level of difficulty, I think this should be a sort of a good number to give you an idea कि इसके ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा बहुत आपका percentile hover कर सकता है. Okay, again I hope to see this becoming a reality, but again it's just a guesstimation. We really cannot be sure about it. So guys, I hope this gives you kind of a sight. You know what, अभी मुझे इतना मिल रहा है, कौन से colleges में target कर सकता हूँ. So that's it from my side, guys. If you like the video, hit the like and share this with your friends. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.